Hey guys, this is Evan with Evan's Landscape, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to build a driveway the right way. So before we jump right into the project, I do want to mention quick that there are many factors that go into building a driveway that lasts, that won't heave up, that won't get sinkholes and potholes in the spring when it gets wet or when it rains a whole lot. This is a video that will teach you how to build a driveway in normal soil conditions. I'm here in Minnesota, and so we have just a lot of clay in this area. With that being said, we're going to use a 3/4 inch minus or 3/4 inch with fines stone, which looks like this. You see it a lot around this area. The pieces are literally 3/4 of an inch, and it's got the smaller fines in it, as you can see, which the fines help pack the stones together. So let's take a quick look at what this project is and how we're going to approach this. So as we come up the driveway here, we can see this is really rutted over here. There's a big rut over here. There's a pothole in here, and this is really squishy. We can actually put our foot into it and see it squish. And so of course it's gonna squish the vehicle too. So we're gonna kind of redo part of this driveway, but the main part of the project we're gonna be focusing on is this part where the loader is right now. So they want more space for parking, and so that's what we're gonna give them. We're gonna build another parking space over here. We're gonna extend this driveway about 12 feet, 11 to 12 feet over here, which is, of course, is just grass right now. We're gonna extend it over here, and as you can see where those tire marks are, we're gonna curve it back into the existing driveway over there. So again, the way that you approach your project is going to have a lot to do with the soil conditions of your project and what you're going to be working with. So let's get started. The first thing that we want to do is remove all the grass and all the topsoil. The reason is because the grass, of course, decomposes over time, and if we build a driveway on top of that, it will settle and we will have ruts. So after we've marked out where we want the driveway to go, we're going to jump in the loader or any machinery you do have, and we are going to excavate all this soil and remove it so we can build our driveway. Okay, so as you can see behind me, we got all the topsoil and the grass stripped. That is in the truck out there. And so now what we're doing, what you see behind me is a geotextile. It's a woven geotextile. It's a 200-pound weight. And what that is a underlayment, to put it simply, is a barrier between the subsoil and the rock. It helps strengthen the entire driveway when we have poor soils underneath, which we did. And so that is why we see that all along here. So we got that all laid out in the really squishy spots and the bad spots. And now we started spreading the gravel out along the driveway. Now when we spread the gravel, we're looking to spread it in the most efficient way. If the trucks can come in and dump it right where we need it, that's great. In this case, these piles are blocking the entrance to the driveway, which is not ideal. It's not the most efficient way, but it is the way we had to do it for this job. So I'm going to jump back in the loader and finish spreading the gravel. guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video and hopefully your driveway project goes well.